Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is about why computers are considered powerful thinking machines. For the quick overview, computers have transformed the way we work, communicate, and solve problems. They are often referred to as powerful thinking machines due to their ability to process vast amounts of data, execute complex calculations, and make decisions based on logical and algorithms. From simple calculators to advanced supercomputers and AI driven systems, computers have evolved significantly. They enable automation, data analysis, and real time communication across the globe. This presentation will explore why computers are considered thinking machines, their capabilities, and their impact on societies. Next, while computers do not have emotions or consciousness like humans, they are capable of many things, such as first, the unparalleled processing speed. This refers to the computer's ability to perform complex calculations and execute instructions at extremely high speeds, far beyond from the human brain can achieve. For example, supercomputers like NOAAS or Global Forecast System (GFS) analyze massive amounts of atmospheric data to predict weather conditions. Thanks to their incredible processing speed, this system can forecast hurricanes, storms, or temperature changes days or even weeks in advance. Help that helps authorities prepare and save lives of many people. Second example is in finance. High frequency trading system use powerful computers to analyze market trends and execute trades in milliseconds, giving traders a competitive edge. Second is the data retention and accessibility. Computers can store vast amounts of information for extended periods without loss or distortion, allowing users to retrieve data, communicate, or perform tasks from virtually anywhere. Unlike human memory, this data can be retrieved accurately even years later. For example, cloud storage like Google Drives or Dropbox allow users to save documents, images, and video securely. These files can be accessed at any time, even if the original drive is lost or damaged. Second example for this is the medical record system. Hospitals and clinics use electronic health record systems to secure store patients' medical histories, prescriptions, and test results. This ensures doctors can quickly access accurate information, improving diagnosis and treatment decisions. Other example is the social media platforms like Facebook. Facebook retains years of posts, messages, and photos, ensuring users can revisit memories or conversation at any time. Last, last example is the online banking apps. Allow users to manage accounts, transfer funds, or pay bills instantly, reducing the need for in-person visits to bank. Next is the logical operations and decision making.
Thank you very much, Miss Cynthia. A good day to those who are watching the video. I'm Dave La Chica, one of the presenters of this content, and I'll be continuing the capabilities of a computer, which makes them called a powerful thinking machines. Okay? So, all right, number three, computers are considered powerful thinking machines because it can do logical operations and decision making based on how they are being programmed. In this aspect, We can dictate a computer to follow logical rules so that they can do something that will help us. Example of it are the antivirus programs of the computer. In this aspect, the computer is following a logical rule not to let the viruses inside of it. In this manner, the computer will recognize a software that has a virus on it or not. Another example is checking of test papers. We can use computers to check test papers because we can program it in a logical operation. In checking the exams, we can use the decision making of the computer as how it recognizes right or wrong answers in the paper that uh, it has been checking. Okay, so that's logical operations and decision making. Next, number four. Okay. Number four, computers are considered powerful thinking machines because of artificial intelligence. In this aspect, artificial intelligence makes a computer more authentically like a natural human. By this, computers can interact and help humans in harmonious way as computers can fit cognitively to humans. Artificial intelligence also makes a life of human easier as it is more direct to the point than other computers without AI. Example of it is when you use AI as a searching engine, unlike normal searching engine, AI will give you answers that are direct to the point. Exactly what you are looking for, as they said. AI can summarize, it can describe or create things for you. It can actually be a companion if you have a variety of tasks to do as a human. Okay? So, that's for number four, artificial intelligence and learning. Next. All right. Next is number five, reliability and consistency. Computers are consistent as they are not like humans who needs motivation to do things. They are not like humans who are uh, experiencing fatigues in doing a long-term task. Unlike humans, computers can be consistent since it doesn't feel tired or unmotivated. Example of it is when a computer is programmed to run an hours of video. Yan. The computer can do it consistently without getting tired. Along with it, computers are not humans who are prone to things like biases to the results. This makes them more reliable than us humans. Example of a scenario is computers are reliable to the voting results as the computer doesn't have context to the people who are running. In this case, rather, computers are more trustworthy for the task, unlike us who are more uh, prone to inconsistency and biases. So that's number five, reliability and consistency. Next. For the last but not the least, number six, computers are considered powerful thinking machines because of its scalability and global connectivity. In this 21st century era, computers are very amazing as it can be connected to other computers regardless of distance as long as internet is available. In this manner, we can communicate people in different parts of the world and still be connected even though we are physically far from them. For example, I can watch a live from other continent while I'm here in the Philippines. I can also talk people who are far to me virtually in real time. In this aspect, computers are more helpful as tasks can also be done virtually. With this computer are indeed powerful as it helps human on our day-to-day lives. To sum everything up, computers are considered powerful thinking machine because it is capable of doing many things. Yes, next PPT. Yes. They are very capable on doing many things because they have unparalleled processing speed. They have data retention and accessibility, logical operations and decision making. They also have artificial intelligence and learning. Computers are also reliable and consistent, and they are in this aspect of scalability and global connectivity too. Okay, so that's it. For the next PPT, Miss Sofia Ortega.
Thank you, Sir Dave. Next is the impact of computers on society. The development of computers as powerful thinking machines has had profound and far reaching effects on society. Computers, especially in the realm of artificial intelligence or the AI, have revolutionized industries, education, healthcare, and communication. With their ability to process vast amounts of data and incredible speeds, they have enabled automation, precision, and innovation across various sectors. First is the economic growth. Computers have revolutionized industries, leading to the growth of the technology sector, creating new markets such as e commerce and digital services, transforming traditional industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and education. This has resulted in increased productivity, innovation, and the creation of new job roles. Next is the communication and connectivity. Computers have transformed how people communicate and connect globally. The internet, social media, and email have all become integral to modern life, enhancing communication in business, social interactions, and information sharing. Next is the improved healthcare. Computers are used for diagnosing diseases, managing medical records, and even performing robotic surgeries. The AI in medical research is advancing the understanding of diseases, which could lead to breakthroughs in treatments and cures. And lastly, the globalization and access to knowledge. The computers has made vast amount of information accessible to people worldwide. Online learning, digital libraries, and open source tools have democratized knowledge, allowing people from different socioeconomic background to access educational and professional resources. Moreover, computers have transformed how people interact with one another and the world, making global communication seamless and fostering digital economies. Socially, they've influenced entertainment, education, and access to information, making knowledge more accessible and diverse in form. However, their influence isn't entirely positive. The rise of computers has led to challenges like job displacement due to automation, data privacy concerns, and the potential for deepening inequalities, particularly in access to technology and information. The reliance on computers also raises ethical questions around AI and its implications on decision making, privacy, and security. Next, for our conclusion, computers are powerful thinking machines because they can process complex data, make decisions, and solve problems at speeds and accuracy levels far beyond human capacity. While their integration into various sectors has led to tremendous advancements, it is essential to address the challenges they present. Society must strike a balance between embracing their potential and managing the associated risks, ensuring that computers continue to serve humanity positively and ethically. That's all. Thank you, everyone.